Hey, this is Allie, and I'm really excited to try this with you. This is my new brow tint, and I'm super excited to give it a try. It arrived in this cute little box and a separate little box for the cream tint. This is what they look like. When you use it, it says to use 1-to-1. So depending on how much you need for your eyebrows, you'll put half of that on this little plate and the other half and mix it together with this cute little brush that it comes in. Then we will apply. It has this little directions kit so that you know exactly how to use it and how long to keep it on for. It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, which is optimal, and it can last around 4 weeks. That's fabulous. I'm super excited to give it a try. So here we go. I have the brown tint. You're going to pierce it with the cap. And you know it's pierced when it just starts coming out on its own. So you can see just how tiny the amount is here. This is being used for my eyebrows, so I don't need a ton. I'm super excited that I'll have a little more than I need so that I can really cover all the areas of my brows with the brown. If you're somebody like me who gets their hair colored often, I was a little concerned if it was going to have that same kind of strong scent, but it does not. So I'm gonna brush my eyebrows, and now I'm going to use the color to brush on. I am already super impressed with the color. I love the color that it's turning out to be. Honestly, that super teeny amount that I used was perfect for what I need. I even have extra, so I'm gonna kind of just brush it all on for the extra. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and I will wait the 15 minutes and we will see how it all comes out. Okay, so this is how it came out. I absolutely love the color. I think it is spot on, medium brown. I love it. It actually works super great with my hair. I love it. I definitely give this product a high rating. I love how easy it is to use. I love that you can just use a little tiny amount and still have plenty left over. I love that you can use it over and over again. This is definitely going to be my go-to for tinting my eyebrows if needed. I definitely give this one a high rating, and I hope that helps.